This week on Pole House Black Pot Weekend Getaways, we're introducing you to a new member of our family. What's on the menu?
We're doing a sour cream pound cake.
So stick around. Hi, Dad.
Hi there. You ready to be introduced to the YouTube channel?
This is Annie. She's the newest member of our pack. We've had her about a week. She's a tricolored corgi and she likes to chew.
Just like her half-sister.
Yeah, they are truly half-sisters.
To Iris.
Yeah. So,
They got the same dad.
you get to watch her grow up.
Yeah.
Just like you did, Iris.
On this week's video, we're cooking here on the front porch and we're making a dessert. What is it?
It's a sour cream pound cake. So,
Lots of butter, lots of eggs, lots of all that stuff. So
got
it makes
6 eggs in it. Sorry.
it 2 sticks.
Oh, 3 sticks of butter.
Yeah, 3 sticks of butter. Pound and a half of butter.
A whole bunch of, no, it's not a pound and a half.
Cup and a half, excuse me.
Cup and a half.
Cup and a half, sorry.
Yeah.
3 sticks, cup and a half. Yeah.
Anyways, we're going to get around and we'll get back right at you. Well, I'm the one that found this cake and we've never tried it, so we're going to try it today. I guess you may be wondering why we didn't have a video last week. Well, the reason why is it was hotter than Hades and we just didn't have it in us to do. So, the first thing we have to do is we've got 3 sticks of butter, room temperature.
That is salted butter,
Yes,
right?
it is.
Yeah, there's one of each in here. Didn't realize that.
And it calls for 3 cups of sugar, which is going to be 6 of these. 1, because they're half a cup. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're done with this. I'm going to move it out of the way. Now, we're going to pray that our mixer, our hand mixer, is fully charged. We haven't used it in a while, so, oh, that's real smart, Angel. Oh well, I need that for the sour cream. Oh, it's all in there, that's a good sign. Cordless hand mixer. Now this is what you call creaming. I didn't know I got a big enough mixing bowl. And if it won't all mix, cream together, as you add your eggs, it will. Uh-oh. We're going to take a time out and get another hand mixer. That one's out of juice. Okay, we've reset the scene and I decided we needed a bigger bowl, so I went and got one of them too. Before we get too involved and I find out that it's too small for what I'm doing. Alright. I'm going to call that cream together enough. Then I'm going to add my eggs in. 6 eggs. Woo, woo. 1 at a time, it says. Now, it said to scrape things down, and I'm going to, because I can see, if you look right here, not all my butter's getting mixed in. So, before I add my next egg, I'm going to bring everything down again. Okay, now add my next egg. Slip eggs. Slippery eggs. Now I'm going to do like I did before I put my last egg in. Bring everything down here. Now, I'm going to do this again. Bring down all my goodness. And it said to mix it for an additional 2 minutes. So I'm going to. Now, I'm going to do this again. Scrape my sides. And it's light. You can feel how light it is.
Yeah, that air you whipped into it.
Now, this next part said not to overmix. I'm hoping I don't.
Yeah. A lot of times when you have adding your dry ingredients into something that's wet, like that, it's been whipped. Here, you move this a little bit more. You kind of fold it in, because then you take your air back out of what you just whipped into your
Okay.
whipped butter.
It said to add this in 2 installments. It's 3 cups. I think I'm going to do it first 1 cup. Isn't that right? 3 cups of flour? Yes, 3 cups of flour. Last cup of flour. Okay. I'm gonna scrape my sides down again. This was supposed to be done with a stand mixer. But when you're out camping, you more than likely won't have your stand mixer. Alright, next is the baking soda. Baking soda, not baking powder. And it's 1/4 teaspoon.
Not very much, is it?
But look at how light and airy that is. And I don't know why, but it said to put it in now. Call that 1/2 teaspoon, or 1/4 teaspoon. So, we put in 1 cup of sour cream. whole cup of sour cream. And in this ditch, you're going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Ooh, it smells good already. Now, I don't want to overmix this. So, I'm going to quit using that. Okay, now it says to put this in a greased bundt pan. Well, we have discovered that bundt pans don't work very good in Dutch ovens.
We haven't mastered that yet,
We have
have
not
we?
mastered that, no. See, look at how good that looks.
Looks good, pretty.
So, I need to wash my hands. We're going to take 5. All right, these are from Lodge. They're parchment papers. I don't need all that, so I'm going to go in there, and I'm just going to cut that much off. These are good for up to a 16-inch Dutch oven, which you can't get anymore. So if you already have one, you're lucky. Okay. Now, this is heavy. It does feel like a pound. Look at how light and fluffy that looks. And we're not like other cooking shows. We get all our goodie out of there. As much as we can. That looks so light and fluffy. Alright, now we're up to what Wade does.
Okay, my job. We're doing the baking part. And we're going to start with 26 pieces of charcoal, kind of a normal
You know something, honey?
heat for this kind
I
of
didn't
cake.
tell him how long it had to cook.
Well, we don't know for sure because it did a bundt pan, and bundt pans, because of the way they're shaped, always take longer than a regular flat cake. So we're going to kind of see.
We're gonna treat this like it was a cake, a regular cake. We're gonna cook it 40 minutes, and then we're gonna look at it and test it and see.
I'm just going to put 8 on the bottom.
Okay.
Don't want to overdo the bottom.
No. And we want to make sure there's enough to get through the top too.
Okay, so since we're doing regular baking, we're doing our normal. I did 8 on the bottom. We're going to do a normal nice ring around the top, and then we'll put about 4 of them in the middle. Kind of in a checkerboard style. And then we're going to rotate every 10 minutes. Should do it. Now, there's not much breeze, but maybe a little bit coming and going. We may go ahead and put the wind guard up.
It's actually a glorious night.
Beautiful. Okay. We'll be back in 10 minutes and give this a rotate.
Well,
We had a little bit of a different
we had a snafu.
snafu.
We probably should have put this in a 12-inch Dutch oven. I don't know how they would have gotten it done putting it in a butt pan.
I don't think it was, it's just way too much. You can see it's pretty much filled a deep 10.
It's dark out here. The flaming orb went to bed.
We ended up having to, after checking it at 45 minutes,
we wound up putting it in the oven.
we knew it wasn't even going to be close to being done. And we were, to keep our temp up with the charcoal, we had to have the lid on top, but we were afraid it was going to burn on top. So we went to plan B.
Put it in the oven.
Put it in the oven. Turned it down at 325 so it wouldn't hopefully get overdone on the outside. Put it in, it took another 40 minutes.
And then it's done.
In the oven, in the house, so we'd have never gotten it done.
We're not going to taste it. You'll have to take our word for it. It smells like a wonderful cake.
We'll try to get some pictures of it and cut it and see if I can show you that when I get it going.
We're going to let it cool.
Let it cool, yeah, before we...
So we hope you like this video, such as it was. Not everything can cook perfectly. We're not them other TV shows, are we?
It was the first time we ever tried this recipe, so you never know.
So, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, which is a like. Share us on Facebook or Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you're subscribing, hit that little bell so you get notified when we have new videos. Don't know what we're doing next week. Are we going?
We haven't decided yet.
I don't know if we're going camping or not. I mean, we have a camping trip planned not too long from now, but it's someplace we've been before and we've showed it. So
we may not show much of it.
Anyhow, so we hope you have a good week and we'll see you next week.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.